Holy crap, it smells so good in here. Good morning.
We're flying to Orlando right now.
We're going to Orlando today.
to get by. We're one step closer to find ourselves a perfect place, a feeling you just can't deny. So come on.
Where are we, Erin? Holy crap, it smells so good in here. It smells like suntan lotion.
I know.
Okay, we made it, and you guys, there are plenty of room tours of the Caribbean Beach Resort. This is a room with the 5th sleeper in it, but if you need to see a tour of these rooms, please do a search on YouTube. You will find it, but this room will show up plenty in this vlog, and we've never stayed here, so the room is actually very lovely and not very Disney-fied, but you know you're at Disney and it's like you're in the island, and it smells delightful in here. Okay, we'll check back with you in a bit after we check on this weather situation, because we'd like to get out and kind of tour the resort, get a drink, and go hang out at the pool. Since there's a ton of room reviews, I'm going to just do a really quick one. We're staying in 4617 in the Jamaica section. So it's building 46 at Caribbean Beach Resort. So when you walk in, the air's on, thank goodness. But when we got here, we had to get something to eat, so we came and found the room, put our stuff up, and went and got something to eat. So here's this area, so don't mind our stuff everywhere. And yes, I got a pina colada, so there we go. So this is how this looks on this way. There's Erin trying to hide from the camera.
She said I couldn't show my butt.
No, it's family friendly. Okay, and so here's this area, which I like, to the left when you enter the room. So we have space to put our suitcases, and of course this is for an adjoining room, but we don't have that, so that'll stay locked. And you have this area here. I love this. You can hang your backpack, or if it's cooler, a jacket, but we don't have those because it is not cooler. My makeup literally melted off of my face. And then here we go, one of our favorite things. So we have our beach towels right there, of course mini ears, and I'm wearing them. And there's plenty of room reviews, like I said, but we have put all of our things away, and I've hung up some of my things. But in here is the fridge. This actually isn't drawers. So there's the fridge. And then this is the 5th sleeper that pulls down. Let me see. Oh, I got it. Look at Mickey and Pluto. How cute. That's Disney. Okay. I'm struggling. Woo, I was struggling. There's probably going to be a cut right there. Okay. Oh, I almost killed myself.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so right here is the coffee station, tea station, and an ice bucket, which we'll probably go get some ice if we can. In this area here is the bathroom. So I have hung up some of my clothes that I didn't want to get more wrinkled staying in the bag. So I hung those up, and you have this area here. And then I have an extra bag for carry-on if I need it when I leave. You have the safe here, ironing board, which is perfect. But we have plenty of room here to put all of our stuff down here. And which is good because I'm going to have to utilize that to get the rest of the makeup off my face that didn't melt off. Hello. And we have, that is so pretty though. I love this area. It's so pretty. And then in here is the shower and toilet area. And this is so cute. This whole resort's very islandy, but huge. I told Aaron, just from finding our room, going back up to get food, and coming back after I hit the bar, I swear we've walked 4 miles. I swear. But probably not. But you get the H2O. And so it's just your standard shower tub combo, but I do like that they have the little seat back here, and then they have the full-size mirror right here, which is great. So here's my travel day, and I'm about to put my swimsuit on because we're going to the pool. Okay, and then here's a pan from this way. So from the bathroom area to where you head out. All right, so gonna get dressed and head to the quiet pool. Okay, can you see me in there?
But I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Ready for the pool, but it started raining again, and they stopped the gondolas. Oh. That probably means the pool's closed again by the time we got our suits on, but we're gonna try anyway. But the raindrops are coming, but I mean, my goodness, we just left. We literally just left the Banana Cabana bar. Got my pina colada right here so I could take it to the pool. Came back, got our suits on, sunscreen on, and now it's raining and the gondola stopped again. Oh well, we'll see what happens.
Say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out.
All right, so we made it to the pool probably about, I don't know, 20 minutes, Aaron?
No,
And
a good 30.
Well, okay, a good 30 minutes. It started pouring down rain. I couldn't even film it. The rain was coming sideways. It was a hefty thunderstorm that rode through. But it's been a great travel day all the way around. It's about 8 o'clock now, and we are zonked. We have had our showers, and we're just going to relax in the room, and I'm probably going to fall asleep in the next hour. But tomorrow is a fun day. It is Hollywood Studios Day. I can't wait. So excited. Going to see Galaxy's Edge for the very first time, and I'm already stressed out that we may not get a boarding group for Rise of the Resistance. My gosh, Disney, why do you do this to us? But I hope we get one. We'll see, but that's what's coming tomorrow, so stay tuned for that vlog because I'm going to bring you guys along with us for our day at Hollywood Studios. So that's it. Signing out. Travel day over.
But I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.